girls. Go for it.
Are you ready?
Get it. Where is it? She's got to run. There it is. And she's a little less pregnant this time. Yeah, she ran through, was it 3 weeks, I think, before when she was pregnant. So if the puppies are a little shaken up.
Harper, it's not supposed to be chasing you. It's supposed to be chasing you.
She's like, we just have fun running. Yeah, she loves, she's like, it chases me.
She doesn't go all the way.
No, Guinness always did this too. Guinness always cut it off. He would chase it though. She more like just likes to run for it. It's like what is it? Lunging a horse. Like I feel like this is just lunging the Doberman. Like just keep going. Are you gonna get it? Woo! There you go. Oh, there she is. Good job, Mama.